Hey guys, today we will talk about exact differential equations in DE. Exact equations. So what is exactly an exact equation? So let us define. So suppose we have m, n, dm, dy, and dn, dx. So partial derivatives. So are continuous functions of x and y So we have an equation d as a function of m, x, and y dx plus n as a function of x and y dy equals 0. Okay. So if these are continuous x and y and may ara ta equation nga differential equation nga amo ni nga form, then ang ari nga equation will be an exact equation if dm dy is equivalent to dn dx. So ang mo ni siya nga nga equation gamiton tani siya karon para i-check if ang aton nga differential equation is an exact equation. So mag-solve ta sang exact equation, mayara siya naman bag-o naman nga steps. So we will discuss it. So for now, digest lang niyan ay. Everything will be clear after mayara ta after nga mayara ta example. Okay, so let's say we have a function as a function of x of f as a function of x and y. So let us say that the differential of the function f is equivalent to m as a function of x and y dx plus n as a function of x and y dy equals 0. And let's say nga napamatud-an taman gid nga exact equation siya by using this equation nga dm dy equals dn dx. Okay, so partial derivatives. Then we can say nga ang df mo is 0. Okay, then we can say nga ang f as a function of x and y is a constant. So amo ni siya ang gamiton tani siya karon nga fact para makuha ta ang aton nga differential equation. So parang balaan ta kun diin ta ibutang ang c nga constant. And another thing, we have m as a function of x and y dx. We have n as a function of x and y dy equals 0. Okay, so magkamo ni ang m nimo, this is your df dx and this is your df dy. Okay, so atong mga din discuss ta bag-o lang, mga talandaan to siya para sa aton nga pag-solve sang exact equation. So everything will be much clearer after maghatag ta mga examples. So again, don't confuse this sa kagina nga dm dy nga equals dn dx. So are m na ni siya, then this is ang n. So ari is f ang ang sa babaw, ari is m kag n. Ari is f. So bali ang ari ginagamit lang ni siya para mag-check if exact ang aton nga DE. Okay, are amo ni siya. Are ang duwa ni sila ginagamit na sila ya karon mag solve for f. Okay, So for now, babay ilang danay, everything will be clear after this example. So let us have our first example. So let's say meron ka DE nga 3x times xy minus 2 dx plus x cubed plus 2y dy equals 0. Okay, so ang masyado nga DE, then we have to check. So aton nga m is equivalent to, so i-distribute siya para mas simplify. We have 3x squared y minus 6x. Okay, ang ato naman nga n is x cubed plus 2y. Okay, since in this phase naga-check pa ta, then we will use the equation dm dy is equivalent to dn dx. So amo na siya ang gamiton ta since we are in the checking phase. So first, are dm dy ta. So since we are taking the derivative with respect to y, then x will be considered as constant. Okay, so very important sa partial derivatives. If we are taking dm with respect to y, then the x will be constant. So this is 3x squared lang. Since x is a constant, kag-ari is may raised to the power of 1 ang y. So just basic na calculus, 6x is 0. So x is a constant. Next, dn dy will be dx will be, okay, so when we are taking with respect to x, y will be constant naman. Okay, so x is a variable, then we have 3x squared plus, so we are taking with respect to x, then y will be a constant, so this will be 0. Okay, so from this we have dm dy is equivalent siya sa dn dx since they are both 3x squared. Okay, so ang silingon ng aton nga equation is exact. Okay, so this is exact ang ating equation. So we have now done check, then let's go to solving. Again, m is equivalent to df dx. Okay, so kagina is equivalent to, so this is dm, so we have 3x squared y plus 6x or minus 6x. Okay, this is the df dy. Another will be n, so kagina we have defined n as df dy equals x cubed plus 2y. Okay, so kagina gin-define na siya. So from this, focus na rin na sa dire, we have df is equivalent to 3x squared y minus 6x dx. Okay, so ang dx ginsaylo ta lang de. So it is now in the differential form. So to find f, what we have to do is integrate. Okay, so f is equivalent to, so remember naga-integrate with respect to x. Okay, so since naga-integrate with respect to x, then y is a constant. So from this we have x cubed y, so just basic nga calculus, integral, minus 3x squared, so plus c. Okay, so remember nga we are taking the integral with respect to x, then y is a constant, x is the variable pero ang y is a constant. So imbes nga mabutang tali constant, then we have to assume the general form, which is a, let's say, g as a function of y. Okay? So, are, tanan siya, nga gina-contain sa g is puro lang ni siya y and constants, wala na di siya x. So, that's why, we put g as a function of y, kay ang y, nga variable, diri subong is constant, since aton nga derivative is with respect to x, aton nga integral is with respect to x. So, sa subong nga case, ang aton nga y is constant. Okay. Next will be, may f na ta, but are is for now is unknown. Okay, so kinahanglan ta ni siya makita ang f of y, ang g of y, para makuha ta ang f. So, anong himuon ta? From this, nag-integrate ka with respect to x, so amon nakuha ta. So, from this, kuhaan ta naman ang iyang integral with respect, iyang derivative with respect to y. Okay? So, now, y ang variable, x naman ang constant. So, this will be x cubed minus, so 3x squared lang siya tanan, so this will be 0. Okay? Plus g prime of y. Okay? Good. So, subong, from this, ginkuha ta iyang integral, so nakuha tang f, may g of y ta, then we took the derivative of f with respect to y halin sa dire. So, nakuha ta is df dy na. So, since n is also a df dy, then we equate it with n. So, x cubed plus 2y. Okay? So, from this, x cubed d, so we will subtract both sides by x cubed. So, this will be 0, this will be 0. So, makancel na siya. So, what will remain will be g prime of y is equivalent to 2y. Okay, so, erase the danay. Okay, minus 3x squared. So, iluhon ko lang sa x squared y minus 3x squared. So, f equals x cubed y minus 3x squared, okay, plus g of y. Okay, so this is g prime of y, or this is also dg dy. Then, to get ang g of y ta, we have to integrate. So, we have dg is equivalent to 2y dy, integrate both sides. So, g as a function of y will be y squared plus c, or y squared na lang. So, amo ni siya ang aton nga g of y, which is this. Okay? So, which means that aton nga answer will be f is x cubed y minus 3x squared plus, so ari, ang g of y ta na is y squared equals constant. So, this is the answer. Okay. So, let's proceed to next example. Another example will be 2x plus y cosine xy dx plus x cosine xy dy equals 0. So this is our another example. So, as a bonus exercise na lang sa inyo, kamo na lang ang mag-check if this is an exact nga differential equation. So, of course, this is an exact differential equation since base ko ni siya sa book nga example. So, para ma-practice nyo man nga mag-check, so that would be your exercise na lang. Okay, so assume na check na ng exact equation siya, then what's next? So again, we have m equals df dx is equivalent to this. Okay, so 2x plus y cosine xy. So df dy is equal siya sa n equals x cosine xy. Okay, so this is the m, amo ni siya ang m, amo ni siya ang n. So m again is df dx, n again is df dy. Okay, good. So from this we have df is equivalent to 2x plus y cosine xy dx. Okay, so we have to integrate both sides na yan. So f will be x squared, okay, plus so are with respect to x, so y is a constant, so copy lang, then are is ang integral sang cosine is sine, so sine xy. Pero, we will also divide here by y. So, by substitution rule. So, wala na ni siya. Okay. Just review your integral calculus na lang. Plus, since nag-integrate with respect to x, then the constant will be y. So, the constant will be g as a function of y. Okay. So, g as a function of y ni siya, so from the perspective of from x, this is a constant, so x ni siya, x man ni siya, so ang y is constant from their perspective. Okay, next will be df dy. Okay, so since gina-find tani nga unknown, so amo ning gusto ta nga makita, so df dy will be x squared is 0. Are, derivative sang sine xy will be cosine xy. So, y is a variable, x is a constant. Then, by chain rule, x na lang. Okay? Plus, g prime of y. So, amo ni siya ang df dx, halin sa dere. Equals, so df dy this is also df dy, then we have to equate them both, so x cosine xy. Okay, so makita ta nga ang x cosine xy man di same sila, so we have to subtract both sides by x cosine xy, then they will both cancel. Okay, so next will be g prime of y is equal to 0. Okay. So, if we integrate this with respect to y, the result will be g of y is equivalent to constant. Okay. So, may g of y na ta nga nakuha, then this will be the g of y nga gamiton ta. So, f equals x squared plus sine of xy plus ang g of y ta nga constant. Okay, so equals constant man ng f, so just muna lang eh. So this will be the answer. Okay. Next example, last example. So after the the sessions sa sining nga video, it's very important nga you practice on your own. So the knowledge nga ginton-an nyo di will stick if you really take time to practice on your own. So this video is only a guide, but real learning happens when you practice. So anyway, let's assume nga na check na siya. Okay, so kamo na lang ang check as an exercise. So if exact DE siya, so mag-check mo again is dm dy is equal to dn dx. So if this is equal, then this is an exact equation. So exercise. So next is m, amo na siyang m ta, which is also a df dx. So 6x plus y squared. Ang n ta, which is also a df dy, will be, so i-ano ta na lang, i-distribute. So 2xy minus 3y squared. Okay. Okay, so from this, we have df is equivalent to 6x plus y squared dx. Okay. Then, anong imoon ta? Integrate. We have f equals, with respect to x, so we have 3x squared plus xy squared. Okay, so with respect to x, y is a constant. So plus, since y is a constant, we will put g as a function of y. Okay, good. This is a constant with respect to x. So from this, ang g of y gusto ta mangitaon, then we have to take this df dy. Okay, so from this, we have 0 ni siya, kay wala sang y, constant ni siya, plus 2xy. Okay, so x is constant, then 2 manaog, minus 1 ang exponent, then 2xy mabilin. Plus, since nag-take ta derivative, then this will be g prime of y. Okay. Since this is df dy, this is also ang n, is also a df dy, then we equate them. Okay. What will happen is 2xy minus 3y squared. So, what will happen is 2xy the same, so 2xy, so they will be both cancelled. Subtract 2xy both sides, then what will happen will be g as g prime of y is equivalent to negative 3y squared. Okay. So from this, or dg dy. Okay, so from this, ang dy sa ilo sa piyak, so dg na lang di. We have dy, then we integrate both sides. Integrate both sides. So we have g of y will be negative y cubed. Okay. So may nakuha ta ng g of y, then we will replace it sa are. Okay. So final step will be negative y cubed siya. So f equals 3x squared plus xy squared minus y cubed. So f is equal to constant, or pwede na lang siya ma-remove for the final answer. So this is the final answer. Okay, so recap of everything. First, mayroon ta m as a function of x and y dx. plus n as a function of x and y dy equals 0. So if dm dy is equivalent to dn dx, then this is an exact equation. Okay. First is to check. Second will be m is a df dx and n is a df dy. Okay. So from this equation, okay, from this makuha ta ang f. So ang f ta is a function of x lang siya tanan, or is a function of x and y plus g of y. So ang g of y is amo ni siya ang constant. Kay na ang y is a constant sa perspective sang x. Okay, very simple. Next step will be, since ari ang g of y wala ta kabalo, then we have to find it. So the next step will be df dy. So equivalent niya is a prime, or as a function of x and y, so plus g prime of y. Okay, since ang df dy ta is df dy man, which is equal sa n, then we will equate to n. Okay, then from this something or some of the terms will cancel, and may ang remaining will be let's say after some cancellation, some terms will be g prime of y. Okay, let's say a or b as a function of y. Okay, let's say amo ning nabilin. Then we have to integrate g of y will be i-integrate b as a function of y dy. Okay, so once nga na-integrate na ang g prime of y, then the answer is substituted dire. Okay, then f is a constant as we have defined earlier. So then this will be the final answer. So amo ni siya ang final answer. So I hope nga may na-learn ka mo subong video. And always remember na this video is only a guide. And ang true learning will happen during your own practice. So if you watch this video without practicing, then it's may dako nga chance nga malimtan nyo siya, hindi ang imo nga natun-an sa video is hindi mag-stick. So go ahead and practice, even just for a few minutes or one example, two examples, then that will mean a lot. So practice good para ma-enhance yung mga knowledge. So thank you.